Now important to make man know a wife size of bra.
It is so.
Are you serious?
That has caused quarrel now. It has been.
I swear that the first time for my life why they hear say it is very important make man know a wife or girlfriend size of bra.
It don't lead to war between two villages.
Woman never ever.
You know it's a shame for you to call your babe say, hey, what's the size of bra again?
Wow, this one say it tells how much you care.
Yes.
For bra.
That is you love her.
But now you don't wear the bra now.
So women go tell you if it's to my handle it now, my hand to strangle it, but you don't know the size. You eat. So you have to know the size is very important.
Hello?
Hello.
Madam, it is very important to make man know your husband. You don't marry?
Yes, I'm a married woman, but I'm a widow now.
Okay. It is very important to make a person know your size of bra.
And timber.
Yes, very, very important.
Why? No very so why? Why?
Yes, wait, let me tell you. A man that you have lived with for a couple of years.
Yes.
Who does not know the size of your undies? Who does not know the size of your bra? That man is not worthy to be your husband.
Hey!
Yes, because wait, let me tell you, my dear.
Yes.
I'm a first caller. Yes, let me tell you.
Yes.
If my husband, as you are talking, if I just watch you now, I will tell you the size of your neck collar, the shirt. If
wow.
It is 15, yes. It is important. That means that man does not care.
No, but madam no vessel. This your husband where this person where you talk about say the man no care. This person feel they take care of you, they love you, they give you money, they show you.
I know that.
On a men where they there, if you never do this thing, please do them now. Carry phone, sharp, call your wife for house now. Ask her, say, baby, please, what is your bra size?
And pant.
For if you never do them before, your wife go shock.
Okay.
This is our backyard where we are all about the family and the people. Government again do is not a must. Every man will know his wife bra size, but a man can be passing and see a beautiful pant bra dress in his convenient time that he thinks it will suit his wife and buy it. In fact, nothing sweet past that one. My husband is not doing such. He's caring to the core.
But you don't know the size now.
You don't know the size.
You're oversize.
Hello, who did there?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, who did it? Angelica, talk to us. Why you call us?
See, this stuff where you talk. Me, once I go out, I see waiting size my order. I always buy it.
So
you him, never see one day buy.
Ewo.
But they give you money.
But wait. But your husband not they give you money?
He they give me money.
Wait, he not they do well inside room.
Some people not sab.
They do well.
Some people not sabi buy. They don't give you.
Yeah. He say the size. The other day, I even buy bus stand for him. I buy and come. He's surprised. He say, how manage I know his size? So as I know his size, him too supposed to know my own size.
But as he no, now you go tell him now.
Exactly.
See sometimes.
Okay. For me, if Bokuna not vex, I go talk my own. I feel say women they put more attention on things we not really count.
Whether they say little things matter, so and I be this. Now one of them.
I not support.
But you know, say guy where why enter your girlfriend? All those players.
Yeah, they know the little things.
They know these little things.
They perfect these little things.
They act. Yeah, now they have to be this.
May we not lie. By default, the same way we need to go Bible. But I don't know why my mind is always.
No, even just talk
when God create man, now walk, he create a cause.
Yes, say
so my mind. Not just to the also they walk. Yes, you see they think about it. I bet majority of the time now waiting one pursue, they fully head. So then you see what I don't try to talk me say for a genuine man to know those small details, a genuine man to come know those small things perfectly well, he had. No, unless the American mission coming.
Now good thing for man to know. Yeah. Men, I beg, men where they listen to us, no gonna listen to this thing. May all of us know. Now, how many of you now? Because I'm not gonna give you. I never ever think of buying pant and bra.
They take and they worry me like crazy. And
I never ever think of it.
Not only money they give.
You see,
I think give money, pay attention, buy shoes for you, buy etiquette, travel, go Dubai, do all those things. But see, make I come buy
those small things.
The pants.
If you see what Jane Saliche is talking, I just for learn this thing. Jane Saliche is talk say in every woman, there's a little girl that want to come out and play.
That's true.
So now how to conquer that little girl, and I be this. How to tickle that little girl, and I be this. And I wait till some of those gigolos and all those
other players.
Good morning, Abakepo. Let's call a spade, Jare. Una papa not do one for una mama, meaning una not trained to do, but it can be romantic. It count, Joe. I just didn't hear.
They're not breeders.
They're not trained us like that. My papa no go call me one corner and say, Chinedu, let's go to the one and get back. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oga, not lie. You don't ever think before to buy pant and bra for your wife.
Oga, I buy everything. Since the one I'm mother my wife.
Are you serious?
I buy pants. I buy brown. There's nothing I know buy. I know buy every pant thing.
My brother, you are the very few way they do. How should they feel when you buy the pant and bra?
She always happy and by surprise.
How you didn't know her size? You ask her?
No, I just know her. I know everything about her. That is why I always buy something for her.
Okay.
I know the size.
Hey.
I know her size. Even she didn't even know her size herself.
Wow.
No, her size.
So the thing don't help your marriage, Abi?
So you go say it don't help your marriage?
Of course, now.
Oh wow.
So they want itself.
So you see something as little as this.
How they tell you those little things?
Yes. She never buy anything from you.
But that will not stop you from doing all those things.
Yes. Even in the evening, when I close job, I have to buy gifts. I have to buy something.
Wow.
That's the day I did not buy something.
Hey.
You know, around 2 o'clock, she wakes me, asking me, so it's true that I did not buy something. Come to the house. I will always buy for her and to my children.
That's very nice.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You did miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmat.